The story of the United States military is a story of transformation. From a handful of colonial militias to a global superpower, in just 250 years, America went from muskets and cannons to stealth bombers, drones, and space defense. This is the evolution of US military power, from 1775 to 2025. The birth of a nation, 1775 to 1812. It began in 1775, when 13 colonies formed the Continental Army to fight the British Empire. Under General George Washington, this small, under-equipped force relied on courage, more than weapons. They faced the world's strongest army and won. After independence, the new nation kept only a small standing force, relying mostly on state militias. But in 1812, America went to war again with Britain, testing its young navy and proving it could defend itself. Expansion and Civil War, 1820 to 1865. Throughout the 1800s, America expanded westward, fighting Native American tribes and Mexico. But in 1861 came the greatest test of all, the American Civil War. Two rival armies, Union and Confederate, fought with rifles, ironclads, and railroads, some of the first modern tools of war. By the end, nearly 750,000 Americans had died. But from the ashes, the US military emerged stronger, more organized, and unified under one flag. The Age of Empire, 1890 to 1918. By the late 19th century, America began to look beyond its borders. The Spanish-American War of 1898 marked the nation's rise as a global power. Its navy, once small, now dominated the Caribbean and the Pacific. Then came World War I. Over 2 million American soldiers fought across Europe, and when it ended in 1918, the world realized the United States was no longer isolated. It was a military force to be reckoned with. World War II and the Superpower Era, 1939 to 1945. World War II changed everything. After the attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941, the United States mobilized more than 16 million troops. Factories turned into war machines, producing tanks, planes, and ships faster than any other country. By 1945, America had not only won the war, but built the first atomic bomb, ending the conflict and beginning the nuclear age. The world would never be the same again. The Cold War, 1947 to 1991. The next era wasn't defined by open war, but by tension. The United States and the Soviet Union entered a global standoff, the Cold War. America built vast nuclear arsenals, intercontinental bombers, and submarines armed with ballistic missiles. The US Air Force became the symbol of deterrence. Wars in Korea and Vietnam tested America's will, while the space race and a surge in technology transformed its military into a high-tech powerhouse. And when the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, the United States stood alone as the world's only superpower. The modern military, 1991 to 2025. In the 21st century, the battlefield changed once again. The US military entered the digital and drone age. From the deserts of Iraq to the mountains of Afghanistan, American soldiers fought using satellites, stealth aircraft, and precision-guided weapons. New branches like the US Space Force were created to secure dominance beyond Earth. Today, with over 1.3 million active personnel, the United States military remains the most advanced fighting force ever assembled. From the muskets of Lexington to hypersonic missiles and orbital defense, the story of American military power is one of innovation, sacrifice, and global influence. No other nation in history has advanced its technology, strategy, and reach so far, so fast. And even today, the evolution continues, because the next battlefield might not be on Earth at all.